Yo, what's good with y'all boys? I feel like we're finna do this every video, but as you can see, back in LA traffic every day. This is usual. Like that's like one thing I hate about moving to LA is all the traffic here, bro. Like I don't know why I do this to myself. It's either you go like mad late, like when nobody's on the road, or just like get the perfect time during the day. But yeah, we indeed have picked up some new projects, as you may see, as I could say, Tessuto, which means we have a Tessuto SP2 catback exhaust in this video, which we will be installing on the accurate TSX, as well with the spacers I have in the trunk and the Fender Roller I have in the trunk. So today we will be doing Fender Roller, spacers, and exhaust. I'm not gonna show the process for this, I'm not gonna lie, because type shit. So like we just gonna do before and after for real. I'm gonna get some sound clips for y'all. I'm gonna get some B-roll of like the fitment and stuff before and after, because it might be like a weekend-long project, multiple days. Like, I really need to lock in so I can finish this before Sunday, because today is Friday, 2 o'clock. I'm gonna get there like 4, probably not do much today. I have all tomorrow and I gotta come back Sunday. So we're gonna see how much we can do. Probably hopefully get everything done, show y'all what's going on with that. And, might hit a car show this weekend. I might show some videos of that, just some more B-roll. You know, that doesn't really need to be a part of the video. But yeah, I don't really know when's the next time I'm going to be picking up this camera. So whatever y'all see next, Merry Christmas. As y'all just seen from that last clip, the exhaust is indeed way louder than it was. I do enjoy it, the deep sound. It's not too loud, so I'm not like over obnoxious. Like, you know, 4-cylinder might sound like a fart can. But yeah, that is indeed all I have for today. It's we just put on the new exhaust, spacers, coilovers. I might take some more videos just to show y'all the final fitment or whatever y'all didn't get, put some music. But yeah, that's all I have for today. If y'all did like the video, subscribe. If y'all did, you feel me, do all that BS. And I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. Short video, but you know, short but sweet. They're good, you know what I'm saying? Us. Lord, please.